Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by preparing your design workspace. Open a 1024 x 1024 canvas and enable a transparent background, then export final textures at 512 x 512 to balance quality and game performance. Gather a high-resolution BMW M5 roundel and M tricolor stripe reference images and import them as separate layers. Turn on a pixel grid or snap to 1-pixel increments to ensure precise alignment on curved surfaces. Save working files as PNG with preserved transparency. Next, design and vectorize the elements. Trace the BMW roundel with vector paths so edges stay crisp when scaled inside car parking multiplayer. Recreate the M logo as 3 separate tricolor stripes, keeping stripe width consistent. Use 64 pixels on your 1024 x 1024 canvas for a clear in-game size reference. Arrange emblem, letters, and stripes on separate layers and test overlay sizes by toggling visibility. Export each element as a separate PNG. For initial in-game tests, export at 50% opacity so you can judge placement easily. Finally, import your PNG layers into Car Parking Multiplayer's skin editor and place the roundel centered on the hood. Aim for about 3% scale relative to hood width so it reads at distance. Use rotation between 0 and 15 degrees and mirror tools to align decorations across both sides. Add a 2-pixel feather to the emblem edge for a realistic blended look. Lock layers, save a backup PNG set on your device, and export a final texture pack if the modding workflow requires an APK or ZIP for sharing with community servers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.